Hi, one of my favorite things, well, you know one of my favorite things is garlic, but today we're going to talk about garlic in a totally different way. We're not going to talk about nutrition, we're not going to talk about cooking, we are going to talk about garlic for pest control. It is one of the best things that you can put into your spring garden for pest control. So all you do is take the bulb of garlic and split it into cloves. So just like this. So I've got these cloves, okay, and I'm going to take the flat end of the garlic and I'm just going to push it into the garden soil and it'll grow and it will deter pests. So you don't do the little pointy feathered end, you do the flat end and you just push it into the soil and that will deter all kinds of pests in your garden. It is awesome for organic gardening so that you don't have to spray. And we are going to do that together, okay? So what you do is you just take the garlic bulb and you just split it into cloves, okay? So I've got all my cloves here. So I'm just going to split those. And then you just take those cloves, like I said, the flat end, okay, this end, and you just push it into the ground. So push it into the ground like that. Daisy May's even interested. What am I doing? And I am going to sporadically put that all around the edge of my garden. And that is going to be a pest control. So the nice thing about this, I'm just going to put you down so you can see. It deters all kinds of pests. So it accumulates a natural sulfur in the bulb. So this little bulb accumulates sulfur, okay? It's a natural sulfur, and that acts as a fungicide and deters pests, really nuisance pests like aphids. They don't like the smell of that garlic and they will go away. But you have to know where to plant your garlic because it's so strong. You don't want to plant it around asparagus, peas, beans, sage, or parsley because you can stunt their growth. So you want to be careful where you plant the garlic. So this is why I usually put it just around the edge of my garden so that it's not near anything else. And the idea is that it's going to deter pests from even coming into the garden. I have been doing this all of my life, and I have to say, I have never treated for pests with chemicals. Garlic and marigolds are my two favorite things around the garden. So it also repels cabbage pests. So cabbage pests such as cabbage loopers, moths, and worms, it will repel all of those. So just break up these little cloves and pop them in the soil with your thumb. Even, I'm going to do it at the farm for the first year this year because we didn't have a garden at the farm. So we're going to do it at the farm because I am researching that it will even deter little animals like deer and rabbits from gnawing on all our vegetables. So, you know, how can you get better that something so natural and so beautiful as garlic will actually deter pests out of your garden and help you to grow an organic garden? Now, because I'm planting these in the spring, of course, I'm not going to get full garlic. I'm just using them for pest control right now. Usually I plant my garlic in the fall and then it has nice big bulbs by this time, but we had to redo our garden, so naturally, I don't have any garlic growing, which I usually would. So I'm just going to use some bulbs just to deter pests and plant them around. But they'll grow kind of like a little green onion and you can eat them in salads. They're awesome. They're very mild. So one of my favorite things for pest control in your garden, the beautiful garlic, right? Have a great day.